So I am making ano ganit siya? Ampalaya, malgoso, ilong ko. Ay buro, buro tawag karan. Ara ron may ara ron ko nabutang dyan, and then butangan ko lang ahos. More ahos. Tapos langgaw guro, apple cider vinegar. Kag salt and pepper lang. Mura na. So ara guys, nabutangan ko ron daakang ahos, asin, kag ground black pepper. And I'm pouring apple cider vinegar. Kamay lang, tama to rin. Okay. Na, tapos takluban. Kagamo lang rin, isugdaan sa uga. Guys, breakfast ni Sarah. 3 cheesy eggs, 3 eggs with cheese, onion and blueberries, breakfast sausages, and the toast. Yan lang. And guys, I have an expired milk. Expired. Yung namumuo na siya, ilalagay ko dito sa aking pang dilig. This is my kinilis. Diba? Isang pork siya. Ay, basta is. Tapos, iibunyag ko sa akong grapes. O diba? O, gawin ng kantang. Ibigin ko sa mga basta. Wash the Stephanie, wash dito please. Today is a Sunday, so ito yung ating Sunday meal. Ayan. Meron ako ng baby back ribs na kamarinate niya ang barbecue sauce. Tapos, ayan, i-barbecue ko lang sa oven. Meron chicken wings at saka chicken thighs. Ito guys, oh, ang laki. Parang nakakatakot. Medyo malaki lang ang hita ko dyan. So huge. So, nakatipalo si Stephanie. Ang nagligad pa nga mga naadlaw. Agay ka piang-piang. Hampulan ko ka luya. Put luya in here. Okay. Take your ano. Here's the oven barbecue. Pork ribs. And chicken. Drumstick. And wings. Oh, diba. Ay, nako. So, ang amon nga igma pa niya po, barbecue ribs and chicken. Tapos meron akong lettuce. Gagawa kong salad. Ayan guys. Salad. Na. And then, buribudan kang this is cooked beets. Ay, may panit pa. Wait lang. Hapos lang kanon. Okay guys. Hapos lang kanon kung luto ang beets or cook. Kay kung hilaw, malangto. Hindi na to. Tapos nagagisa ako kang nagasarasandag ako ka mais guys. Fried corn, and then I have leftover potato salad. Kita nyo. Na. Ito na yung ating salad. O, diba? Ginpabinit lang ang avocado. Ay, ang iban. Ay, kakaon na avocado. Linglingan to duman ang lupo today. Meron. Langwayan, purple. Purple sandahay, maramig guro, no? Maramigan pa ba? Diba nga dandelions, healthy man siya pa eh. Hindi ko kamaan magkaon. Tawa ang luto ko guys. Na. The worm. Earthworm. That's why the birds love my yard. Because we have a lot of worm and bugs in here. Guys, I'm transplanting my rosemary herb right here. right next to these herbs. I think these are lemon balm, whatever, mint, some kind of mint. More over there. And right here, right next to my lupo. But my lupo is just over there. And I got seeds out. Newer seeds Steve got. And let me try planting them too. I mean starting them. Are these the dandelions? If it is, I'm going to save the root. Make a tea. Dry it. And make tea out of it. Like right here. I'm saving it. But I need answers first. How many meat did you eat?
Two.
So I'm out here in my rose bush. And guys, oh, daw mamulak o giduga pamukol doon. Oh. Pakita niyo man kung paano jagin trim kang mga usado man. Oh. Ara, oh. Pabayaan ko lang dyan. Sigpot roman dyan. Di, korokodalan ko giya karon na kalbot ko ang mga hilamon dyan. Butangan ka screen giya gamay. Hopefully, dayon ang bulak karaos. Guys, so my peas were up, so I have to make a trellis for them. Ayan. Parang ang layo naman. I saw there are some deer hoofs or footprints. Footprints ba? Deer footprints. Ayan. Yan. But they skipped my grapes though. Steve said grapes leaves are sour, that's why. But see, it looks like they try right here and they did not continue on. Mabula ko ka baratiya to ya. Mahimo ako kang karamangan kang grapes ko ambot kung makaya ko. Kay hang good dyan nga baratiya. Ara sarak yan. Ni ano kabata bayi. Magbisita diya ka naman. So amo lang siya. Ang baratiya patindugon ko. Diya para taas. Kabjagiya. Tapos I need 2 more of this para tuya sa likod. We'll see. She's just resting. What kind is it? Long beak.